السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيك يا ندى؟ ازيك يا ياسين؟ ياسين وندى اخباركم ايه؟
الحمد لله يا مستر.
يا مستر.
حد معاكم تاني يا شباب؟
المفروض لسه في نور.
تمام. طيب هو اللاست سيشن يا شباب كنا خدنا الفورمينج ذا كوادراتيك ايكويشن whose two roots are ايه are known. yes. اللي احنا كنا بنقول how can write the quadratic equation. حد يفكرني؟ يلا ياسين. كنا بنقول x square minus sum times x plus product, the product equals 0. yes. okay. product equal ايه 0. معايا ندى؟ تمام. وقلنا لو كان اما يديني two roots يبقى find the sum, find the product, then you can write the quadratic equation. فاكرين ولا لا يا شباب؟ تمام. طب النهارده بنكمل على نفس الدرس يا شباب. ناخده example number 1.
السلام عليكم.
ازيك يا نور؟ عامله ايه يا نور؟
الحمد لله.
تمام. بيقول نور as I said at the last session, how can write the quadratic equation? You can write x square minus sum times x plus product equals ايه equals 0. It's okay?
تمام.
طيب. Let's see example number 1, my dear student. You can write now. If two roots of the equation راح مديني الايكويشن دي x square minus
مستر نكتب دي؟
yes minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. If two roots, the two roots L and M. يعني you have two roots this quadratic equation. You only find the equation whose roots as an equation اللي الروتس بتاعها the first root L plus 7, the second M plus 7. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are L plus 7 and M plus 7. طيب, now my dear student, you can divide this example as a given equation and the required equation. Given equation and the required equation. Right. As a given equation, my dear student, Yasin, you have two roots, Yasin, L and M, okay? From the given equation, can you tell me, Yasin, L plus M equal from this equation, the given equation, and the L times M equals L plus M.
L plus M.
I said negative B over A, yes?
Negative B over A.
So from the given equation, you can see
هي 5 over 1.
B equals C equals A equals 1 and B equals
1 و B equal negative 5
و C equals
C equal negative 6.
يلا يا ندى. Then L plus M equals
negative 5. negative 5 هتبقى positive 5 over 1.
it can be 5. يلا يا نور. نور L times M, you know C over A. Well, absolute term divided by the coefficient of x squared. Noor. Yes. C equals
6 over 1. Negative 6 over 1.
Oh, yes, negative 6 over 1. It can be negative 6. But from the given equation, my dear student, you can write L plus M and LM. Now, how can write the required equation? طبعا Yasin, as a required equation, if I ask, tell me the first roots, L plus 7, yeah? The second root, M plus 7, okay, my dear student? So if I needed to write any quadratic equation, you should write, or you can find the sum of two roots and the product of two roots. Yes, Yasin, yes or no? And if I need write, ask how can I write the quadratic equation, you should see this, you can find the sum and the product, then you can write the quadratic equation. The sum of two roots, the first root L plus 7, Nada, L plus 7 plus the second root اللي هو ايه؟ M plus 7, yes? You can write L plus M, 7 plus 7 equals 14, yes?
14.
From the given equation, my dear student, Noor, can you tell me now, from the given equation, can you tell me now, L plus M equals L plus M?
5.
Equals 5. Then 5 plus 14, it can be 19.
19.
Yes. Yasin, as a product, I said the first root, L plus 7, the second root, M plus 7. How can multiply, Yasin? You can distribute the first bracket to the second bracket. Yes, Yasin. L times M equals?
تكون equal LM
Plus
LM plus 7L.
Yes, plus
7M plus
49. And the LM plus, you can take 7 Yanada common factor. L plus M. Nada, in the middle term, you have 7L and 7M. You can take 7 as a common factor, okay? Because you know L plus M, the value of L plus M and the LM. طب يلا replace L times M with negative 6. Yes, Nada? If I ask, tell me the value of L times M equals Nada?
Equals negative 6.
Excellent. Plus L plus M equals 5. 7 times 5, Nada?
35.
Plus 49. Yes, Noor? using calculator, negative 6 plus 35, it's gonna be 29. 29 plus 49, it's gonna be
29 plus 49.
78, yeah? Now, my dear student, you have a sum and you have a product. Who can tell me how can write the quadratic equation? You can write x squared minus 19x plus 78 equals 0. This is the required equation. I repeat again, my dear student.
لا
ولا
يا
done؟ طيب.
دون.
Can you write, my dear student, طيب, all the study you can write now if 2 roots L and M x square minus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Find L plus 4 and the M plus 4. Can you write now, my dear student?
Yes.
Yalla, you can solve it. Give an answer now.
مستر 2 minus 11x plus 22 equal 0.
طيب قولي لي كده الاول يا ندى L plus M equals
3.
excellent. It can be 3. طيب L times M equals
negative 6.
negative 6. يلا يا ياسين. How can find the required equation? يبقى first find the sum and the product, then you can write the equation. Okay ياسين؟
السم ايكوال
L plus 4
اوكي.
M plus 4 يبقى L plus M plus 8 yes؟
ام بلس 8 هتكون 3 بلس 8
يبقى 3 plus 8 it's gonna be 11. نور البرودكت يا نور معايا نور ولا ايه؟ ها طب يلا يا ندى L plus 4 times M plus 4 يبقى you can write LM معاك يا ندى اتفضلي.
LM plus
ايوه
L4 plus 4M plus 16 اللي هي 44.
يبقى take 4 as a common factor it's gonna be L plus M plus 16. يلا يا ياسين LM equals LM equals
ال ام ايكوال
negative 6.
نيجاتيف 6.
4 times 3 equals 12 plus 16. Yes ياسين negative 6 plus 12 it's gonna be 6. 6
أيوة.
plus 16 it's gonna be
24 22.
22. طيب يلا ندى how can write the equation x square minus
11x plus 22 equals 0.
11x plus 22 equals 0. Huh? Done my dear student?
Yes.
Okay. طيب sometimes in a required equation my dear student you can see and if I said L square this is the first root and the M square is the second root I need L square plus M square by using L plus M and the LM. Okay. L square plus M square, I ask, you can write as L plus M to the power of 2 minus 2LM, yes or no? Yes. Why is L plus M all the power of 2, my dear student? L plus M to the power of 2. Who can tell me how can find the answer? You have a first square, second square, first times second multiply by 2 اللي هو 2LM. Yes or no? يبقى you can write L square plus 2LM plus M square minus negative 2LM. طبعا you can cross positive 2LM with negative 2LM. It can be the left hand side اللي هو L square plus M square. يبقى if I ask Yasin, tell me the equivalent to L square plus M square by using L plus M and LM. Huh? يبقى you said L plus M to the power of 2 minus 2LM. يبقى لا you should keep this formula my dear student. L square plus M square يلا يا ندى equals L plus M to the power of 2 minus 2 LM. Number 2, my dear student. طبعا you should write in your copybook this relation between L square plus M square and the L plus M and the LM. Number 2, L minus M to the power of 2, my dear student, equals L plus M to the power of 2 minus 4 LM. Number 3, L cube plus M cube equals L times L, this is the small bracket, big bracket L plus M to the power of 2 minus 3 LM. L to the power of 3 minus M to the power of 3, it can be L minus M times L plus M to the power of 2 minus LM. My dear student, I said you should keep this formula. And the next time I ask Yasin, tell me now as a L square plus M square, هتقول لي ياسين؟
L
ده by
minus 2 LM.
by using, my dear student, L plus M and LM. Okay, يلا ندى. Tell me now L minus M all the power of 2.
تبقى equal L plus M squared minus 4 LM.
طيب ياسين L cube plus M cube equals
L plus M و L plus M باور 2 minus 3 LM.
يلا ندى L cube minus M cube.
هتبقى L plus M squared
Yes, times L plus M square minus 3 LM. طيب يلا نور. If you have the two roots 1 over M and 1 over L, tell me now by using L plus M and LM, you can write, my dear student, L plus M in numerator divide L times M. Number 6, L over M plus M over L. You can write as LM, then cross product M square plus ML square. طبعا you know M square plus L square from the first one you can write as L plus M to the power of 2 minus 2LM over LM. My dear student, I said you should keep this formula. لازم تحفظوا الحاجات دي. اوكي؟ لأن هيعتمد عليها حل المسائل. طيب تعالوا كده نشوفهم.
ثواني يا مستر، ثانية ما تمسحش.
ماشي اوكي.
مستر هو آخر حاجة خالص اللي تحت دي اللي هو L plus M
اللي هو
squared minus 2L.
اللي هو نمبر 6 يعني after multiplying denominator اللي هو ML then cross product هتلاقي النيميريتور M square plus L square. طب ال M square plus L square from the first relation اللي هو ال L square plus M square you know it اللي هو عبارة عن إيه بقى؟ اللي هو L plus M to the power of 2 minus 2 LM. Done my dear student.
Yes.
طيب
تمام
example number 1 نور وياسين. It's okay. طيب you can
Yes,
write now if L and M are the two roots of the equation. عند ال L وال M two roots للإيكويشن دي يا شباب. x square minus 7x plus 9 equals 0. When where L greater than M, find L square plus M square. Find L square plus M square. Who can tell me, my dear student, how can find L square plus M square? Yasin, can you tell me L plus M from this equation equals and LM equals? Yasin.
L بلس M هتكون equal 7 و
وL
L M هتكون
equal 9. It's okay, Noor وندى. يعني from this equation, Yasin said L plus M, it can be negative B over A, and the L times M, it can be negative 7 over A. Okay? Now, I ask find L square plus M square, Noor. How can find the value of all L square plus M square? First, you should write the relation, because you know this relation, Noor, Loa. You can write L square plus M square by using L plus M and LM. Can you tell me now? L square plus M square equals? Noor.
L plus M square minus 2LN.
Excellent, Noor. يلا يا ندى. Substitute L plus M with 7. يبقى you can write 7 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 9. 7 to the power of 2 for 9 minus 2 times 9, 18. Then subtract. Nada? 49.
Yes, sir. 31.
It can be 01. طيب. If I ask my dear student, find the value as the same equation, my dear student, huh? Find the value L minus M. L minus M. يبقى first you find the L minus M all the power of 2, then take the roots. طب how can find L minus M to the power of 2? يلا يا ندى.
هتبقى L plus M power 2 minus 4LM.
L plus M to the power of 2 minus طيب نور, you have the value of L plus M equals 7, yes? 7 square minus 4 times 9. Noor, 7 square equals?
49.
Yes, minus, yeah, 36. It can be 13. طيب. Yasin, if as the same equation, if I ask find L cube minus M cube. Find L cube minus M cube. How can find it?
مستر هو احنا مش حضرتك قلت لما جبنا ال ماينس ام سكوير احنا في الاخر بناخد الروت.
هنا L minus M square بس. لكن أنا I ask as a L minus M يبقى it can be root 13. Yes.
Yes.
Excellent Nadal. Excellent Nadal. طيب now my dear student, if I ask find L cube minus M cube, now you have my dear student L minus M, it can be root 13. Yes, Yasin, how can find L cube minus M cube? يبقى by relation Yasin. يبقى you can write
معلش يا
now.
مستر حضرتك كنت بتقول
How can find L cube minus M cube?
ايه؟
How can find the value of L cube minus M cube? I said by using formula L minus M
ال بلس ام قصدي
minus
ال ماينس ام قصدي
ايوه
ايوه
L
بلس
plus
ام
M square
all power of 2
minus LM. أيوة. Now L minus M نور equals L minus M نور
L minus M equal
L minus M root 13 يا نور. اوكي
13.
طيب L plus M equals
7.
minus LM اللي هو 9.
9.
7 square can be 49 minus 9 multiply root 13. يبقى root 13 49 minus 9 نور.
40.
It can be 40. يبقى the answer my dear student 40 root 3. 40 root 13. 40 no, root 13. Done my dear student?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Okay, thanks a lot my dear student. Have a nice time and goodbye.
Bye.